there for vibes cartel, we're not there for no. Pussy. Play rhythm.
You with your at least a 5 minute man. Me a beg your car.
Go suck up a camera, girl. I want you.
You don't get a son already.
Fresh drop.
With son.
Yes, do it.
I can't know
prank on the mother.
Stop, bro. Go prank on the mother. Yeah, biggie that girl. See you send the people come report me like
Bro. The man come from prison, buy new car, new house, and new vagina.
No, I never see your man up you, but you have some feminine ways, boy.
From a dark day, every know. Still there, party. You know I'm some missing now.
All who we smoke, we have to say, over your soul. I know for them need that chat for me. Who want to see me mash up and jump for me? They know I be there, so I tap for the game. I see a bleach out, dude. Sing that tap bands for me. You see a fly out and I no time for that, I no time for that. Too much whining. When I don't get a son already. Time on God. Born up too nice, them corona. So man did have to move wider. Big up on yourself.
Oh, yeah, man. You're from the artist. Fire some black. Oh, yeah, man. Oh, yeah.
Fresh out of prison and I make more money than enough artists when they are road long. Or if you compare alkaline, him and the student to the world boss thief. The man come from prison, buy new car, new house, and new vagina. The man a make Remember me tell us that the boss was coming. Remember me tell us that the boss was coming. Remember me tell us that the boss was me said the boss was coming. Remember me tell us that the boss was
Fresh drop.
Look, Martin, fresh out of prison and I make more money than enough artists when they are road. Or if we compare alkaline, him and the student with the word boss teacher. Martin never remix enough. Martin, fresh out of prison and I make more money than enough artists when they are road. Or if we compare alkaline, him and the student with the word boss teacher. Who know one like a two, what a one word boss? What a DJ Pablo? Look how me tell us when the boss was coming. Look how me tell us when the boss was. Stop your mother, you. Whatever God tell me about me, what me could have me a chronic law out of those to cheer over. I want me could have one down the naked man. Don't do that to you.
As me say, bro, God, I'm glad to see that here, because enough youth will see drop out. Big up the youth when them now, I don't know him. Big up us, me don't know them. You see me, I say, but it fuck up to see all the youth them a drop out. You see me, I deal with. Me have a prayer last year when me are bringing it this year. You know I go? And me say, Lord, me I beg you this. Please don't make them judge me with empty claim. Please don't make them judge me with nothing wasting. Show me who genuine. Because I'm a paranoid to everything. Long time me no sleep. And me say, Lord, me I beg you. Cover me. Can't let me rubber me. Can't find love of it. Can't trust nobody. The rough road, yeah, just with some of it. Go suck up back your mother, girl. I want you. Go suck back your mother. I want you. Oh, the blood clot. Me and nobody. I will be there. Me and nobody. I will be there.
Just Bukaya.
Who make you can't talk to now?
Just Bukaya.
Who make you can't talk to now? Who you tell about them mother? Big pussy girl, you can't tell me about them mother. No way I do you know. That make you know you girl. No way I blood clot, you hear? Everything I want to do on life. No way I do, you hear? Go suck up a camera, girl. I want you. You are nobody, man.
I know it's easy for some man to take certain utterance and get to it. And me as an individual, you normally pay them things in my mind. A man can tell me something my mother a million times. I'm over that. Because he's a man slow to ride. See? However, on this occasion, I and my mother in the hospital. diss up the promoter and diss up certain people because they know say the promoter keep the peace. Because I feel them event and them have everything to lose. And I was faced with that situation first time. Big Freedomstreet concert, cartels return. You see? And when I see that individual make that statement loud and proud, it put me in a dilemma right there, so. Because how me I go address this now? How me I go address this without mashing up the show? However, he's a man, blood run through my veins, see? I'm not to deal with things. Man diss me publicly, I drag him under the stage and disrespect him back privately. I'm gonna tell you something. Could I murder you on another stage, eh? Watching them out, man. I found the youth and a real man nowadays, you know, because trigger finger action no make your man. Because what we can do them things. And no man know me from nowhere to pretend like say me and them are enemy or friend and disrespect me.
That's style you get a youth for the people. I can't trick with.
I can't
Go prank on the mother.
Stop, bro.
Go prank on the mother. Yeah, biggie that girl. See, you send the people come report me like.
Bro, this, yo, she not prank, you know. She serious, you know.
Then come out and ban. Come out and Airbnb then. Come out and Airbnb.
She serious on the day, she ban, bro.
Come out and Airbnb then.
Bro,
if I'm not prank, come out and Airbnb. Come out and Airbnb then.
Yo.
You have to come out and Airbnb because sleep a bush.
Yo, blam them. Yo, blam them.
Don't listen to them. I eat at them.
Blam them.
They try chicken up. They might try chicken up to get no money. Don't give them no money.
Bro, all this a trick, bro. All this a trick. What may I get out of this? What may I get out of this, bro? What may I get out of this?
Clout here, big stinking girl, look.
What kind of, bro? Me not need no clout, bro. What me not need no clout. As me start me life, this is a problem me cause. As me start me life, people just fall away, bro. Me not need no drama, bro.
Come make a girl
Era.
Yeah, girl, super man. Yeah, big stinking girl.
You know what love is though? When you feel like say that I love, that is not love. You don't know what love is. You see your TJ beat Maya. If he go at Jericho right now, I say Maya, me go at Jericho right now with Maya. So I may go come back that time, yeah. I may go stay a little long. I may go do this, I may go do that. So I'm doing Maya. I tell Maya say I go at Jericho. That one day, if I go at Jericho, him go at Jericho. Anytime in there at Jericho and stay at Jericho till him come back. He say, I was at and I never know. I said, should me feel this? I'm gonna get some time and this and that and.
Because I don't disrespect you. So make it loud and clear, say yo. Anything you depend on that, me depend brother, but make sure say when you do something, it not done. Because all when me 6 feet under the ground, it not done. Remember, I might honor me at about. Because I can't face my son if I'm gonna go trample back my honor. He's a real man.
People for those low now make us do no other car. Why? I don't know. What did you end up there, Fabbi? You come far like one world apart and you just wake up and then I don't know that. I'm not lying that.
Come be disrespectful up here.
No, that's what I said. No, I know if you're a batty man or not.
Straight. You ever see me a man a fuck you?
No, I never see you a man a fuck you, but you have some feminine ways, boy, you want to know.
You see him say you need the two of no content creator, Jayden?
Yeah, but me no fish.
You sure?
Me sure.
You sure you want to hold that conversation with me, Jayden?
Yeah, more hold that conversation there with you, cause
me not judge you. Fabbi,
No, you cannot judge me because I have a woman in my bed and I have a man in my... Eh?
This way me I say, Fabbi and my niece, and me and you now hold no homosexual conversation on the internet. Me
Fabbi
respect.
and your niece. Fabbi and your niece.
This way me I say, me respect you. I'm like you as a
You don't want to respect me.
Listen to me.
I don't want to respect. I don't want to respect. You hear me I say? You hear me I say? Yo, big up a damn self, bro.
It's a long time I could have had you. But
big up a damn self, yeah?
Yeah?
Big up a damn self.
Yeah, big up for yourself too and big up Fabbi too and keep her safe and protected and protect yourself.
So hold on, that gap there in between them out, where you should go through that. Big up yourself. Bro, you know me right? I do
Finding them every day after hurt that they've been through, their whole life. Why would that be funny? Where's the joke? You know what I'm saying? Like, and the thing is, when she talk about Jayden mom, sometimes you probably want to argue. I said, go in and no matter. She keep repeating it and laughing it to the person on the phone that she was talking to. So I'm like, this girl know what she had do. She had tried get on, and honestly, he was getting very irritated. I Miss Tripley, I said, yo, what? Let me cheat. Don't say nothing. Just leave. Like, come on, and people are going to support that. Okay, can I say just one thing and come down, please? All right, Coolie. Good morning. Morning, everyone. Morning. You see this thing with Fabbi and Jayden? It's all planned with family and our family there. Yeah? I was watching another live when somebody who live where Fabbi live come on the live and talk and say, the girl even call her name and say Fabbi can't come for her. Fabbi and her father and her brother and her whosoever planned this with Jayden, because every time Fabbi and Jayden have something, our father called Jayden and I beg, give her another chance, give her another chance. That is the reason why Jayden didn't even go back and knock Fabbi window and go back for Fabbi. Every time them have something, the father, that's what the girls say, the father called Jayden. Jayden know the father by phone, but Jayden don't know the father personally. So our Fabbi and our family then plan for Jayden, because Jayden even come and talk and say, oh, Fabbi father want him by car for him. All that is a plan. So when you see Fabbi wants a plan, she and her family them a plan for take down Jayden. One thing about the calling of police, because that has to be a joke. She called for police. We're all against that. She should have never called the police. And that she got me from she called police on Jayden. And that she got me from she called police on him. She don't want him. Exactly. She just want to use him. She don't want him. She don't need him. He needs to just go feed him and make she go on. She knows that Jayden have a love for her. That's the reason why she behaves. And the whole of them were talk. The whole of them were talk. Them like see when she abuse Jayden because she abuse him. But don't like it. She abuse him for real. And them never ever see that. Them just like the mix up and the bagger. Because, alright. Them follow our man. Alright, why me bring up the police thing? Honestly, I do believe that's a prank on a dog.
Me hear Fabbi say, come out of my Airbnb over foreign, and me hear she say it in a Jamaica too. That Airbnb that Fabbi booked when she was in Jamaica, when she booked that Airbnb, she was vexed with me. She was vexed with me, so that's why she come out of my one and go book fear one. So how you for make video say the girl stressed because she has spent her money? How can a woman will rate you stress because she has spent her money? And this are the reason why I have to draw back for some things, youth. Just to try to save myself. Everybody knows, say, I'm not supposed to know me already, youth. And a one way respect go, and a one way spending go, and a one way loving go. So if me and you vex and you go up on live, I say, me now brush me teeth. And when me come back and say something, it's gonna be a problem. How the fuck can that be a problem? Far me I come from. Far me I come from, youth. Me know say me can do this by myself. Me no need no second and me no need no third. Me can do this by myself. Me never start off with no woman. So no better get that in our head. Uno know all of this. Me be not do it by myself, youth. Here go up on live, I say, no matter what me do, or no matter what me say, no matter what me do, Jayden still I go him still I go come to me and tell me sorry. So me see so now use me kindness. See so now take me kindness for granted. What kind of lie you think me I tell? Me not tell no lie. Me don't even tell no lie, Miss Triple.
So then all screen record they show say uno there at the same hotel.
Me tell her what, Miss Triple. Me get to find out. You see our gifter? One of our gifter them. I'm tell her, Miss Triple. One of them book taxi for me. I have to show them which hotel me I go because them book a taxi for me. So it end up, it look like that. Me don't know if she there at the same hotel as me, but she not in my room. Me not in no contact with her, Miss Triple. I swear for my life.
So which one I gift them book the hotel for you? Book me book your hotel, so me know.
Tell us that the boss was coming. Remember me tell us that the boss was coming. Remember me tell us that
If the man of Christ not live nowhere.
Man, no watch where them spend per woman bling. As you say, love, when you love somebody.
But him don't know that.
Listen to me, him know that blood clot is just because him don't love Fabbi. That was a show. It is a blood clot show. They don't fuck with me and ramp with me. You know say woman have the blood clot world. A man take them up and still I give them 2 world. Them don't have earth already. A man I take them up, give them Mars and blood clot Venus. You know see that? Man no watch where them spend pan where them love. Man no watch where them spend pan them woman. All when them want have the world. From them love them no watch that. That's what I have to understand. Some moment a man a go watch where man spend pan him woman in no love her. A moment a man a go watch where man spend pan him woman in no love her, no go so. Them just a pass fuck. An exchange fuck that. When you love your fool. When you love your give woman anything and all. When you broke after and tomorrow you say blood clot. Watch ya. At the last something me give away. Me not ras clot. And come back to all your senses. Man no watch where them spend per woman. Where them love. You see what them no love? Blood clot them telling the world and give the most excuse and all type of things. Them fight. Cause them really no love you. You just a fuck. You not pass fuck. Is a difference now when you love somebody. So you have to understand that. When man love woman, or when she have 10 house, him still a buy her a next one. For her birthday. Don't you not see it every day. I say, mama just give me back 15 bills, all 6 grand. You know see them something there, that near love that man they in love. Him not even in love, him drop in a love on him face.
They have the vibes cartel, we know they have photo. Post it. Play rhythm. No, I want to expand, man. We don't know about Popcaan sense. Yeah, no. I don't respect our boss in our blood class stadium. Let me see some signal. Chuck. Oh, can they spider?